Hello everyone, today I am going to talk about the treads in VR games. Gamers are always looking for the best game experience, while VR provides gamers immersive experience with a high-quality virtual environment and intuitive user interface and UI. Here are some common treads of VR games. The first one is first-person perspective. The second one is immersive. VR provides almost real-time virtual rendering in 3D space. The third one is 3DOF versus 6DOF. DOF means degrees of freedom. 3DOF can track your head orientation, while 6DOF headsets can track orientations and position. The fourth one, HMD. VR requires a head-mounted display device. The fifth one is haptic feedback. Haptic, for example, like haptic gloves, full-body haptic suits, Omni-directional treadmill, and the VR theme park. Okay, so want to learn more about XR games? Join our webinar on September 28th. Interested in XR UX UI consultation with me? Please contact. Thank you for watching.